How to receive crypto on Exodus wallet. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Exodus wallet. And here at the top, click on Receive. After you have clicked on Receive, you will find all these options. In here, I'll simply click on Sol. Click on it, and you will find your QR code or the address. You can simply copy the link and send it to people who want to send you the crypto, or send the QR code from which they will be able to scan and send you the crypto on Exodus wallet. This is how to receive crypto on Exodus wallet. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.